The room was full. The energy was high. People were locked in, nodding, leaning forward, feeling something shift. And then nothing changed. Not because the message was weak, not because the moment was wrong, but because once the room emptied, so did the momentum. This happens all the time. Events feel powerful in the moment, but the impact fades the moment people walk back into their routines. Not because they didn't care, but because no one showed them what to do next. Inspiration without direction fades fast. Most events don't fail during the experience. They fail after it ends. People leave motivated, but motivation alone does not create change. What creates change is structure. What creates growth is follow-up. What creates transformation is ownership. If you want your message to last longer than the applause, there are 3 things you need to do. First, capture the moment before it disappears. Before people walk away, give them one clear takeaway. One thought to hold on to, one question that stays with them. When people can name the takeaway, they are more likely to live it out. Second, create a simple follow-up. Not a long program, not a complicated system. Just one intentional touch point that reminds them why the moment mattered. A message, a reflection, a next step. Something that bridges the gap between inspiration and action. Third, assign ownership. Momentum doesn't survive on good intentions. It survives when someone is responsible for carrying it forward. When someone owns the follow-up, the message becomes movement instead of memory. This is the difference between a moment people enjoyed and a moment that changed them. If you want the exact framework I use to turn powerful moments into lasting impact, comment follow-up and I'll send it to you. Because moments shouldn't fade, they should multiply.